It's silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on.
Yo, it's time to make some updates. Today I'm in Legian. Behind me is Azul Beach Club. Then is Bali Mandira. I know, Legian again, but many of my subscribers actually are interested about the updates. Unfortunately or fortunately, so I have to keep balance with it. So today will be video all about Legian in Bali, Indonesia. Meanwhile, Bali Mandira seems very successful hotel, very old. I think they are around 50 years old, but very kinda busy, I'm gonna tell you, because so many people enjoying their afternoon. So it's the construction of the new promenade in Legian, Padma corner. Crazy tourists driving electric bicycles or something like that. And the traffic overall situation looks like this one. This is the mural where you can find singing guy. However, I don't know where he is gone for the break or something. Also the warungs were also here, they gone. I'm heading now into that direction. And actually singing guy is somewhere here preparing the, managing the traffic situation on the streets. Whatever song you want, Indonesian, English, up to you, my friend.
Indonesia live.
Okay.
Ya. Aku bukan dirimu lagi. Kau bilang cinta pertama yang kau sayangi. Aku bilang you're free, so hold it for me and left. I can love you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So as you can see, everything is as supposed to be. Singing guy is here. He sing for us, for you guys today, Indonesian song as he wish. I think he's better with Indonesian songs, by the way, which is very cool. And this is the entrance to Bali Mandira. And somewhere over here also is Padma Legian. Some restaurants actually here. There are some people walking around, of course. This is the entrance to Padma Legian Hotel for everyone who are interested about this hotel. Taxi drivers driving around, some surfers, some oldies on the motorbikes as well. Well, it all depends of. Currently has changed. Kuta Legian is more for the oldies, but also some young. Canggu, Uluwatu will be for younger generations. So you can find everything, whatever you like in Bali. Also massage parlors here, approaching you for the massage and stuff like this. Then we have a corner of the poser pub. Also some people walking around. Have to be careful how you're crossing the streets in Bali always. Watch out for the motorbikes, for the cars. This is the poser pub. Doing alright, I guess. Some tourists walking around, massage parlor, approaching you to having a massage service. Over here, everything is for everyone. As I said, tattoo studios, some tourists walking around, not only oldies actually, of course, don't take me wrong, but you can feel the differences whenever you go. Canggu, Uluwatu, Ubud will be different, Kuta, Legian will be different, Seminyak is like a little bit of everything, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of the Padma Street. Here is the garlic lane. I'm gonna come back very shortly, but little bit of the Padma Street, how does it look, the situation for everyone who are missing the place. There will be live on big screen, some sort of Australian football league. So of course this is all about Australian community. There will be some seafood and some sports. Of course you can watch it. Transport options everywhere you can hear in the background, and of course some shops selling the merchandises or fake Nikes, stuff like this one. So that was the Padma Street. Now I'm gonna go to Garlic Lane, show you a little bit how is it around. Been a while when I was here last time. And of course, you're not gonna, transport, money changer, tour guides, all of this one. Just be careful with the non-licensed money changers like this one actually. This is even official note from the government. You also have to go only to the money changers who are licensed one. So let's have a little bit of look of the Garlic Lane, legendary Garlic Lane, probably with not much editing. Yo, what's up? Somebody calling me by name over here, so have a look. All right, gonna cross the street. Yo, you on YouTube today? How you doing? All good?
Damien, how are you, mate?
How you doing? All good?
Good.
All good? All good?
Yeah, we're all good, thanks.
It's always a pleasure to saying hi to you guys and having little spoke, little chat whenever I have a time and you have time. Meanwhile, let's enjoy a little bit of the garlic lane, legendary garlic lane in Legian. Here we go. This is the suit what I wanted to buy once. I'm just kidding actually about the suit. Rosari Hotel, some people walking around. I've been here like last time, maybe about a month ago, at the same time, during the weekday, around 5 o'clock p.m. and it was a little bit busier than it's today, I gotta tell you guys. Everything seems open and everything, but slightly more quieter than last time. Well, it's already October, beginning of the rain season, beginning of the quiet season, so seems like it's gonna be a little bit quieter. This is the new place. Also here, this one was open during the pandemic, only one thing, when everything was closed. 8361 is open again, but also quiet. There are some people just inside, one family only, and pretty that's it. Last time was definitely busier. However, like I said, everything is changing all the time by time. This is garlic lane for everyone who are missing the place. Memorial for you. Somebody have an interesting modification of his X-Max bike. Probably the people. Yo, how you doing? And then yeah, some people are around, that's for sure. Well, what I can say, the Legian Bar and Restaurant is open again. There are some people sitting inside, but not much. Chura Barbie. This is very difficult name of the bar, by the way, but it's open. There's some lady enjoying their cocktail. So overall situation of legendary garlic lane looks like this one today. Exclusively for you, for everyone who are interested of watching my updates from Bali. Regular one every single day, 4 p.m. local time. And yeah, yo. And yeah, that's what it is. Very peaceful, I'm gonna tell you. This is the legendary garlic lane. Yo. At the front, people waving. Yo, what's up? How you doing?
Hey, $1.
$1? And yeah, this is the Garlic Lane restaurant. This is why the name of the place, yo, why this name of the place is like this one. Massage, yo. This is the bread donut guy. Here we go. Thank you so much, my friend. So, regular stuff, the same owners, the same restaurant, the same businesses. Just a little bit less, but the vibe is pretty the same. I mean, a little bit less people around, but the vibe is very cozy and it's going pretty alright, pretty the same. Yo. And there are some also, people around. There's supposed to be some food court, like something like that. You can buy so many merchandises, some fake bags, some t-shirts, some dresses, stuff like this. And this is already the end of the legendary Legian Street. I make it in 3 minutes exactly, because I'm counting the time. And well, even the main street doesn't look so busy today. Carla Spa at the front, GS Spa, and then you can go to Legian Street into that direction if you want. I'm gonna hit into Sun direction, which is Kuta Beach, Legian Beach. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Overall area of Legian is very popular if you would like to buy any kind of merchandises, like dresses, t-shirts with the Bintang logo and all of the stuff. Also, you can find so many sports bars, like Uluwatu right now. Canggu is famous for the beach clubs, more modern stuff. Legian Kuta is more famous, more popular into the sports bars, which is pretty the same thing, to be honest, actually. Just 2-3 generations difference. So long time ago there was no such a thing like a beach club. There was only bars, sports bars, but the same thing actually, to be honest. Just different look, but the same thing. You come, you drink, you watch loud sports or loud music. Pretty the same for me. Here on the other side of the street we have a Legian Beach Hotel. It's open again as well. Actually it was all the time open if I'm not mistaken, so nothing really has changed. Some people walking, enjoying their bintang while walking. This is also very popular in Legian Kuta. When they are walking while drinking a beer. You are not sitting in the bar or in the beach club, you're just walking and drinking. Very specific in Legian, especially Legian Kuta, guys. You're not gonna find like this too much in Canggu or in Uluwatu, for instance. So yeah, that's how it is. In case if you're interested to come over here to Kuta Legian, you can expect something like this, everything what you see around. People walking around, and of course you have a beer bus or bus, as you can see, like this one, people enjoying their time. This one, for instance, they driving around and drinking, which is also cool. Loud bikes, Korea Army. Oh my god, the loud bikes are very annoying, guys. Let me know what do you think about the loud bikes, but maybe you love loud bikes as well. And this is some changes in Legian Beach. Check this out. They built that statue. Here was the office of Mason, the tour agency, what they are selling many attractions. They never come back. And this is the main entrance to the Legian Beach. However, they built some statues currently. Previously, and there was just the view of the ocean. Now you have a statue, and there will be the promenade as well. And this is a little bit like a warung where you can buy some corn, peanuts, some people enjoying their time, the tour office, some security, patrol, you know, stuff like this to keep you safe and happy in Legian. There is also Kuta Beach Walk if you're interested to go into that direction. This is the local taxi driver. I mean, the transport service, they are not working for taxis, they are independent. So yeah, overall looks like this. And do you still remember, guys, when I was working here by myself alone, just like half year ago, back to January, February, March 2022, this year, there was nobody here and nothing was around. But now it's definitely better, even it's quieter again, even there's the rain season again, but it's definitely better and better. And also, this is the Ole Beach Bar and the Bali Legian Beach Hotel. Also pretty successful right now. A small alley where I started where is this bar over there with the bamboo construction. I'm gonna show you a little bit how's the situation at the end on the beach. Some shops, stalls are open again, some of them not. So you can see like this one. Still you can enjoy some bar. Time to time, some drink. Like it's 50-50. Some of them they close, some of them they are open. This is long story why it's like this one. And this is what you can buy over here. Also as the bonus, there's some massage ladies time to time, you know, trying to sell you something. Overall very peaceful vibe, more into all this vibe rather than young community. That's the little bit difference. Yo, what's up? How you doing, brother? How you doing? All good? So as the conclusion, I'm gonna tell you, nowadays when everything is going to any kind of normal, you know, like recovery status, recovery times, it's 6 months when Bali is open and the people start coming in. We can see as there are some regions of Bali where are popular through the young community, and there's some other areas of Bali where are popular through the oldest community. Everybody once were young, but many people who were young, the Kuta or Legian, there was exactly the same like is Canggu right now. Just different vibe, because 30 years ago or 40 years ago, there was everything different. And these people still like to be here, and the other people, new people, like to be in the new places. I think it's pretty natural. That's how does it look like currently. But doesn't mean as here you're not gonna find the young people in Kuta and Legian, or you're not gonna find the older people in Canggu, because in Canggu, in Uluwatu, in Ubud, in the beach clubs where there's so many young people enjoying their time, there are some older people enjoying their time as well. Everything is for everyone, guys. Don't take me wrong. This is delivery of your beverages. Meanwhile, thank you so much for listening today. I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya. Take care.
I don't wanna change.